welcome back to my video. So today's video is gonna be my everyday makeup look, my simple glam look. Yes, my simple glam look. I did my eyebrow off camera because you know eyebrows take long to do, like so if y'all haven't watched my eyebrow tutorial, y'all should go watch it. And okay, I'm almost start next with my foundation, and I am using the Nars one, and I am using a foundation brush. Sometimes I put primer, sometimes I don't. So today I don't put primer, I just put like a crema para la cara. So I use I had already put this one, so I didn't show you guys, but it's like this. Well, I wrote now actually, so I am using that the one para la noche, but I just put a little bit because I feel like my face was a little bit dry. But look at this foundation, it's so bomb. When I'm done putting the foundation on with the brush, I make sure it's well like blended. I always after do it with the sponge because yes. Next, I'll do some concealer. I am using the Born This Way Too Faced one. This is the one I'm using. Okay, well, after I put the concealer, I actually put another one that's lighter, and the other one that I put is the Nars one. I don't know. Went with this Anastasia cream contour. It's all beat up already, but it still works. So when I'm done putting the cream contour, I go in with this like little brush from Beauty Creation. and I just start blending it. Also next, when I'm done with the cream contour, I go in with a bronzer, and I am using the Kylie one. What the fuck did I... Using the LA Girl setting powder, the Pro powder. So I was washing my hair, and while washing my hair I was baking, and now I'm gonna take off the setting powder with this little technique brush. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I'm gonna put some setting spray, and I am using the real, what the fuck, the Beauty Creation one. Oh my god, this is my first time using it, guys, and it smells so it's peach. It smells so bomb. What the hell? I feel like I need more. Highlight. This is all beat up already. This is the Beauty Creation one. So I'm gonna put some mascara, and I am gonna be using the Too Faced one, the Better Than Sex. I really like this mascara. It's like really bomb. So this is my final look of my makeup. I feel weird because I didn't put lashes on, and I usually put lashes on. No, but my simple look. And what's up with this fucking lighting? Whatever. Alright, well, I changed my hair too because I don't like it on the side anymore. I like it like this now. Well, I like it both ways, but right now I'm feeling it like this. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and share, and please comment what video you guys want me to do next, or you know, whatever.